Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have a very fun product to try out. It's from Colourpop and it's the So Dangerous Jasmine Chriswell Lip Duo. So this has the Creme Lux lipstick and the Lippie pencil. And this is one of the products that I got in my Colourpop mystery box. And I'm so excited about this because I love to wear a lip liner pretty much anytime I wear a lipstick. And I got this in this beautiful color. So the fun thing with the mystery box is that you don't get to choose any of your products or the shades, but I love a pink lip. So I'm really excited to put this on. This is cruelty-free, vegan. Right now on the Colourpop website, I believe this is 50% off, but normally it retails for $16. So the fact that you can get this for $8 right now is a steal because it's two full-size products in here. So first things first, let's do some swatches. I believe the Lippie pencil shade is called Oh My. And this is the type of pencil that you have to sharpen. Oh, such a beautiful pink shade. Glides on, good pigment. And then the Creme Lux lipstick in the shade So Iconic. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Very perfectly paired color combination. I think the lipstick maybe looks a little bit brighter than the lip pencil, but I'm thinking that's going to look really nice and flattering on the lips. So here are what those swatches look like. Great pigment, beautiful colors. Let's see how it is on my lips. So starting with the Lippie pencil, I'm going to outline my lips. Wow, I love how creamy this goes on. It doesn't pull on the lips at all, goes on with nice full pigment. And then for my top lips, I'm gonna slightly overline. That's what I like to do. Yay, I really like this lip liner. It's easy to get precise, crisp edges. And since this is a creamy lipstick and it's going to have transfer, I'm actually going to go ahead and fill in my entire lips with this pencil. So hopefully the lipstick can actually last a little longer. And so my lips right now are pretty chapped. So we'll see how this is over the chapped lips. It's so creamy and pigmented though. It's so easy to fill in my lips with it. Wow, it did not even cling to the dry patches on my lips. I am very impressed by that because normally I would expect a matte lip pencil to really emphasize dry, chapped lips, but this looks beautiful on its own. I'm just curious if there's any transfer. Let's see. What? No transfer. Okay, I love this lip liner. So easy to apply, such a beautiful color, no transfer, you can wear it as a lipstick. So this product alone is such a win to me, and the fact that you can get this set for $8, I think even this product alone for $8 is amazing. But now let's see how the lipstick is on top. Oh no, the lipstick going on actually is really emphasizing the dry texture. We'll see when I rub my lips together if it looks better. But before I do rub my lips together, I just wanted to look at the difference in color, top lip to bottom lip with the lipstick versus without it, to see how similar the shades are, and very similar. Let's go over it with one more layer on the bottom lip. Yeah, a beautiful color combination. But yeah, I would say just a little brighter on the lipstick. Wow, I am surprised that the lipstick, which is a Creme Lux lipstick is not looking as smooth as the lip liner. It's that type of lipstick where, like, I layer it on a lot, but it's still not looking opaque. It's like you can see just like the lines in the lips, kind of, just a little bit of transparency, but only in places. So it looks textured. The dry areas on my lips, which I did not see with the lip liner, are very textured and obvious with the lipstick. So that is a real bummer. This is not the type of lipstick formula that I like, that I will wear. Thank goodness I've got the lip liner that I love and I'll wear, because I love this color, but this lipstick formula is just not flattering on the lips. And now let's see how much transfer there is with this lipstick. Oh my gosh, so much transfer. I mean, my lips look still intact because of the lip liner underneath, but yeah, not a fan of this lipstick. I feel like I need to put a lip topper, a lip gloss, or something on top of this lipstick to try and smooth out that uneven texture, uneven color, give some hydration to my lips that look so dry now. Wow, really bummed, because I am obsessed with this shade of lipstick, but not a formula that I will be reaching for. But I definitely want more of the Colourpop Lippie pencils. So if you've tried any of these Lippie pencils and any other shades that you love, I'd love to get some recommendations in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.